So I'm just going to show you guys now around the Phonics app. So it's designed for parents anywhere around the world to download and to use alongside their children. We haven't made it specifically about the UK curriculum because we don't want parents around the world to feel alienated. We want this to reach as many people as possible, but it does follow the UK phonics phases. So it is exactly what parents would be finding. So for example, we start off here, we've got
welcome
at
to
the
the
beginning
Phonics
of
app.
every
We've
section,
designed this
we've
for
got introductory videos, and you can choose whether or not you can watch the videos. If it's your first time going through, you would watch them, and if not, you probably don't need to. So section 1, you can learn the single letter sounds. This is the order that they're taught in primary schools, and it's the most effective order to teach the sounds. Children can just play around with this on their own. My 2-year-old has just started, and she loves just sort of how easy it is to navigate around. Then we've got your first bit, which is blending. So there's a little video here.
Amazing work. So you've learnt your single letter sounds, which means
and
now
I show parents how they can help their child blend these sounds together. And none of the videos are any more than 60 seconds long. So then you can see that children, it's so intuitive for the children to use. And so you can have a go at doing that. Then they can practice 3-letter words. Now, all of that is free. That's a lot of free content. And then they can choose to subscribe. So they can do $4.99 a month or $29.99 for the year. We get about 60% of people choosing to do monthly. So then we do 4-letter blending. They can learn double letters, for example. And then they've obviously got lots and lots of words to practice with these inside, like that. So then we move on to the digraphs. And again, there's a video at each section. So first of all, they're going to learn them. So these are the digraphs in order. You might choose to just do one sound at a time. It's completely up to parents how they choose to complete this section. Then for each of the sounds, there's dozens of words to practice. And then they go through, and then what they're going to have is they're going to have alien words. These are words that are not real, but these come up in the phonics screening checks. So we wanted to make this as aligned as possible. So words that they can't just memorise by sight, they actually have to decode because they're not real, they're alien words. Then we've got vowel digraphs, R-controlled digraphs, split digraphs. So you can see here, for example, just loads.
June.
There are 400 words in total inside the app. Then we've got more digraphs because lots of the digraphs are sound the same, but they're written differently. These are all the sounds that are going to come up in the phonics screening check. So this all the sounds they're going to need to know by the equivalent of the end of year 1. Then we've got tricky words, which children just need to know as part of sort of the national curriculum. And then they can just have a go at practicing all of those. The red letters show the irregular sounding letters. So in the word come, you can see that actually this O is not
come.
You'd expect it to be written with a U, but it's written with an O. And then finally at the very end, we've
Congratulations, you've made it to the very final
infinite
section.
practice. So these are over 400 words jumbled up. And they come out in any order that children can just practice reading. So it's very intuitive. It's very, very easy to use. It is dopamine free. There is no way to collect points. There are no sort of flashing lights and games. We just wanted it to be a really useful resource for parents to use with children because we don't want parents to feel afraid of this. We want parents to know that it can be simple and it just guides them through the process of teaching their kids to read. I really hope that helps.